Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to bring to your kitchen a nice spicy crab curry, and we're going to start with about roughly 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use the oil of your choice, and we're going to add in some cumin seeds. That's about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Make sure it fries a little bit, and once the cumin seeds have sort of fried a little bit, you can start adding in your onions. So we've chopped the onions nice and fine. So these are three medium-sized onions. We want some extra gravy because we're going to have this with plain rice and there's no other gravy. So this is going to be the primary source for gravy. So we want a little extra curry in it, and so that's why we'll be using extra onions and extra tomatoes as well. So wait for the onions to fry out really well. Make sure they are almost golden brown, and then we'll start adding in the other ingredients from there on. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. We'd certainly appreciate it. So just wait for the onions to fry, and we'll circle back. So to help the onions fry, you can certainly add your salt. We're adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt in here. So this helps the onions fry really well. So the onions are nice and golden brown now. So we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. That's 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure it fries really well until the rawness of the smell goes out. And we're also going to add in now 1 green chili. That's a large green chili. So this is a nice spicy curry. So while cutting the green chili, what I did was we're also gardening here quite a bit. So few of the seeds from the green chili were actually potted. So that's one of the things that you can probably do during this lockdown is invest your time in some gardening and cooking as well, and just don't stop with cooking. Whatever you have as waste, as seeds and things like that, you can definitely use them in your garden. We've also used capsicums. We've got red and green capsicums. Now moving on to the recipe, we are going to add in 4 tomatoes. That's again medium-sized tomatoes, and they're cut nice and fine. This is completely optional. You can actually even grind them and use as per your choice. Make sure this fries out real well. Now we're going to add in about half a cup of water, and then we're going to cover this and let it cook for at least 3 minutes until the onions and the tomatoes become nice and mushy. So the onions and tomatoes have been cooking for about 2 minutes. It was on a high medium flame, and we've covered it and cooked it. Now we're going to add in the powdered spices. That's 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander. We're going to add in about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Not too much, just half a teaspoon. We're going to add in about half a teaspoon of garam masala. One thing you would have noticed is I like to use a lot of spice. I like to make sure that the curries that we make are really nice and spicy. That's about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and make sure you put sufficient chili powder. That's 1 heaped teaspoon of chili powder. And so we're making a non-veg, so you make sure you also add in your turmeric. So that's half teaspoon of turmeric. And now fry these really well. We're going to add another half cup of water and cook the spices along with the tomato and the onion. And once that's done, we get the star of this show added in and let him simmer within this nice masala. So we're going to add the water, cover it, cook for another 2 or 3 minutes, and we should be all set to add the crab in from there on. Alright, so now we're going to add in the pieces of crab. So we've got about, I think, roughly about 1.5 crabs. So that was what we had in the freezer, and thanks to the lockdown, a lot of non-veg isn't being circulated around the city. I think this is sufficient for this gravy. So we've got about 4 claws and 3 bodies, so to speak. So yeah, so make sure they get nice and coated, and the next thing is to add about maybe another half cup or 3/4 cup of water. Put your stove on a medium flame and cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes. So this is your regular freshwater crab, so just about 8 to 10 minutes and they should be cooked really well. Alright, perfect. So it's been about 10 minutes that this chap has been cooking in on a high medium flame, and now we're going to add in some fresh curry leaves. That's to bring out some nice South Indian flavor, a chettinad flavor. This goes absolutely well with just steamed rice, and for a little garnish you can add some coriander leaves, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your simple spicy crab curry is done and ready. Please do like this video if you of course like it, and share it with your family, so everyone can start cooking. That's the whole point of me creating these videos along with my wife. We want to make sure that everyone's cooking and everyone's keeping themselves occupied during this time, and not just during this time but also relieving their mind from a lot of stress. So until the next recipe, cheers, God bless everyone, take care.